CBD ended up being like my saving grace.
Nuvamed.
I train out of a CrossFit gym located up in Bel Air. When any of my clients are dealing with any type of joint pain, it's typically caused by inflammation, and I always recommend at least a transdermal cream right away. You can see many different doctors, and my experience with that was like opioids or surgery or the physical therapy end, and I think it complements the physical therapy really well. And one of the main things I was struggling with when my elbow was going on me was my mobility. When something is inflamed, it's compressing against everything in that area. It's nerves, it's soft tissue. So taking that inflammation down with the CBD cream was what really allowed me to kind of get back in the gym and start working on my mobility. I took up yoga, which is something I should have been doing for years, but the CBD cream is what allowed me to actually start attacking my mobility, because with the pain, the inflammation that I was having, I wasn't able to even start exploring different mobility exercises. So it was fundamental in allowing me to continue to progress. CBD helps me live better and achieve more.